Many people, especially those new to coding, get confused between Git and GitHub. The names sound similar, and they are often mentioned together, which adds to the confusion. It's easy to see why. Both are essential tools in the software development process, but they serve different functions. They sound similar and are often used together. However, understanding their distinct roles is key to mastering their use, but they are distinct tools with different purposes. Git is a version control system, while GitHub is a platform for hosting and collaborating on Git repositories. Understanding the difference is crucial for anyone venturing into the world of software development. It helps in effectively managing and sharing code. Think of it like baking a cake. You need a recipe to follow, and you might want to share that recipe with others. Git is like your recipe book, where you keep track of all the ingredients and steps. It helps you manage changes and keep a history of your work. GitHub, on the other hand, is like a platform where you can share your recipes with others and collaborate on new ones. It makes teamwork and sharing easier. In this essay, we'll delve into the world of Git and GitHub, unraveling their complexities and highlighting their unique roles in the software development lifecycle. We'll explore how they complement each other. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each tool and how they work together to streamline the coding process. This knowledge will empower you to use them effectively in your projects. Git is a version control system that helps developers manage changes to their code base over time. Imagine you're working on a project, and you want to keep track of all the changes you make, from the smallest tweaks to major overhauls. That's where Git comes in. It provides a robust framework for tracking and managing changes. It's like a time machine for your code, allowing you to rewind, compare, and merge different versions effortlessly. Git is decentralized, meaning that every developer working on a project has a complete copy of the project's history on their local machine, ensuring redundancy and reliability. This allows for offline work and makes collaboration smoother, as changes can be synchronized later. Some of Git's key features include branching. Create separate branches to work on new features without affecting the main code base, making experimentation safe and easy. Merging. Combine changes from different branches into a single version, ensuring that all contributions are integrated. Committing record changes to the repository with a message explaining the modification, providing a clear history of what was done and why. Git is incredibly powerful and is used by millions of developers worldwide, from solo programmers to large teams, making it an essential tool in modern software development. GitHub is a web-based platform that hosts Git repositories, providing a centralized place for developers to manage their code. Think of it as a social network for your code, where you can connect with other developers, share your projects, and get feedback. You can collaborate with others, showcase your work, and even contribute to open-source projects. GitHub takes the power of Git and adds a layer of collaboration tools, making it easier for teams to work together seamlessly. Some of its key features include pull requests, propose changes to a project, discuss them with collaborators, and review code before merging. Issues, track bugs, enhancements, and other tasks related to a project, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Project management tools, organize your work, assign tasks, and track progress efficiently, all within the same platform. GitHub has become the go-to platform for open-source projects and is widely used by companies of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Section 4. Git versus GitHub. Spotting the differences. The key difference between Git and GitHub is that Git is a version control system, while GitHub is a hosting service for Git repositories. Git is a command line tool, while GitHub provides a graphical user interface and additional collaboration features. You can use Git without GitHub, but you can't use GitHub without Git. Git is the engine, and GitHub is the car. Here's a table summarizing the key differences. Feature Git GitHub. Type version control system hosting service for Git repos. Interface command line web-based GUI collaboration limited. Extensive hosting local remote cloud-based. Section 5. Git and GitHub better together. Git and GitHub are both essential tools for modern software development. Git provides the foundation for version control, while GitHub enhances collaboration and streamlines the development workflow. By understanding the differences between Git and GitHub, you can choose the right tool for the job and leverage their combined power to build better software. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a large team, mastering Git and GitHub will undoubtedly enhance your coding journey.